So hello everyone, welcome to TryRide. This is back 365, myself Sujit. So in this session, we are going to learn some coding question that is based on our functional oriented programming. Because as of now, we are doing all the coding in our procedural oriented programming. But as of now, we are going to start implementing our functional oriented programming. Guys, as of now, we are only doing the number coding. Okay. After that, we are going to start implementing our string coding. Also, we are going to start our list coding also. Okay. So, for this session, the first question is write a function to check a given number is mrep number or not. So guys, first we need to check what is mrep number. Okay. So to check a number is mrep or not, there are three conditions we need to satisfy. Okay. Means if I'm taking a number from user that is 13. Okay. Now I need to give that three conditions to check this number is mrep or not. Okay. So the first condition is that number should not a palindrome. So first condition, number should not a palindrome. Guys, I think everyone know what is palindrome. If I'm taking the user input as 13, okay, if I'm taking 13, I need to reverse, means palindrome means I need to take a number and I need to reverse. Then I need to compare that user input and the reverse number. If both the number are getting same, then in that case we can say that number is a palindrome. Now here if I'm checking 13 double equal to 31. So this condition becoming false. Though, so this means the first condition number not be a palindrome is confirmed true. Then the second condition, the number should be a prime number. So number should be a prime number. So guys, what is prime number? Prime number means that number must be divisible by 1 or itself. Means 13 is divisible by 1 or 13. Both the condition we are going to check. So guys, as of now, we know that we need to generate the number to check for this prime. Okay, we need to start from 2 comma norm floor division 2. Here if I'm taking 2 comma norm 13 floor division by 2. So it will be give me 6 as my output. Okay. Now I need to generate for 6. Up to 5 I need to generate, guys. Okay. Now, so in that condition, okay, I need to check for plus 1. Means I need to check for up to 6. Okay. So we know that how to check. So 13 modular division 2 double equal to 0. This condition becoming false. 13 modular division 2 3 double equal to 0. This condition also becoming false. 13 modular division 4 double equal to 0. This condition becoming false. Then 13 modular division 5 double equal to 0. This condition is also becoming false. 13 modular division 6 double equal to 0. This condition also becoming false. Then we can say that 13 is a prime number. Okay. Then the last condition for this, the reverse number. Okay. After I am getting the reverse number from this, that reverse number should be a prime number. Should be a prime number. Okay, so means now you can get a clear picture on that why we are needing the function. Because guys, just see, if I'm not creating the function, then I need to write the prime logic for 2 times. Because for 1 time I need to take the user input checking, and then after getting the reverse number again I just want to check for this prime. But I don't want to check like that. So I just create a function. I need to call how many times? Because function, if you are creating a function, that function will be give you the reusability function. Means you can call n number of time. Okay. So now we are going to understand how to find the palindrome. So guys, as of now, we are already creating the video for reverse a number. If you are not watching that particular video, I will tell that you need to go to that particular video, rewatch that particular thing. Still, if you have doubt, I will tell you one more time how the logic should going to work. Okay. So guys, how to check a number becoming reverse or not. So I am taking 13. So here I need to get the 13, means I need to check. First I need to take the last digit. So how to take the last digit? So last digit to check, we need to check number modular division 10. So after, if I'm running this one, it will be give me 3. Okay, after, if I'm getting, I need to create a variable called sum, and I will assign a value 0, because every time after last digit I need to save that, because I need to reverse. So here I am using 0 into 10 plus my reminder value 3. So here it will be give me 3 as my output. Again, after that still my number becoming 13, but I need to get only 1. So here I need to update that particular number. So how to update that particular number? Number floor division 10. So 13 floor division 10. So it will give me 1 as my output. So now I need to check how many time I need to give the iteration. Whenever the number becoming norm greater than 0. Okay, as of now my number will 1. Then I need to run one more time iteration. So 1 greater than 0. Okay, again here I need to take the last digit. So 1 modular division 10. So it will be give me 1. Again I need to add in my sum. So my sum value will be 3. So 3 into 10 plus 1. So it will be give me 31. Again I need to update that number. 1 floor division 10. It will be give me 0. So here again I need to check 0 greater than 0. So it will be give me false as my output. Means I will be finding the reverse number 31. So now I need to check both the condition. 13 double equal to 31. So it will be becoming false. So now first we are going to implement the logic in our VS Code. Then we can start implementing the iteration. Okay. So every time I need to take the user input. So here I am using input function. So here enter the number. Okay. So enter the number. After I am getting the number, first I need to check for my palindrome. So here I need to create a function called palin. Okay. Because you need to give the function name based on my identifier. So here for the palindrome, we need to take that number. Also, we need to take a default argument. So here I am taking the default argument is sum equal to 0, because every time I need to add there. Okay. So first I need to give the condition where we need to stop. So when my number greater than 0, I need to stop there. So first I need to take the last digit. So how to take last digit? So REM number modular division with 10, I can get the last digit. Then I need to sum. So sum into 10 plus my reminder value. After I'm adding, I need to update that number. So num equal to num floor division 10. Okay, after I am getting the number, I need to return that particular sum, because I need to check outside the function. Because if you are creating a function, you don't need to check each and every condition inside the function. We need to check outside the function. So here I am returning the function. Okay, guys. After, now I need to create for my prime logic. So here I will be taking only number. Okay, now I need to check if the number will greater than 1, then only in that case I need to check. So if the number is greater than 1, so here I need to first check, I need to generate the number. So for element in range, okay. So 2 comma num floor division 2 plus 1, because up to that number I need to find. Okay. So here I need to check num modular division element double equal to 0. If this condition becoming satisfied, then this number is not a prime number. So here I can pass false. If each and every iteration complete and this condition becoming false, that means this number is a prime number. So here I will pass true. Okay, if the number less than 1, so here it becoming false as my output. Okay, so now we are using, okay, after that we are checking each and every condition. Here we are using our ternary operator. What is the use of this ternary operator? Now we are going to see. Guys, just see. Ternary operator says that if the condition becoming true, you need to write the true condition left side. So first I need to write the true condition. If each and every condition becoming true, means that number is a MRIP number. Okay, now we are passing the condition. Guys, as of now, we need to check for three conditions. It means we don't need to go to nested if. We can use a operator that is AND. Because the use case of AND is tell that if both conditions are becoming satisfied, you need to return a true. If one condition also becoming false, you need to give a false. So guys, see here, if you are checking the MRIP number means this three condition becoming true means number should not a palindrome, number should be a prime, and reverse number should be a prime. Means and condition means the three condition becoming satisfied. So here I need to use each and every condition with my AND operator. So first I need to check for my palindrome. Okay, so here I am checking palindrome. I need to pass. Guys, just see. Now inside the function, my norm value becoming 0. But outside the function, my norm value still becoming the user input. Means as of now, if I'm taking 13, so here my number is becoming 13 only. Inside the function, the number is 0. So if I'm calling this function, means here it will be return me the sum value, means the reverse value. So I need to check 13 double equal to 31 means it will be give me false, but here I need to check not equal to, means we need to check that number should not be a palindrome. Okay, so here I am giving not equal to number because here it will be returning the reverse number 31. Okay, after that I need to give a condition add because I need to check more condition. Okay, then the next condition, that number should be a prime number. So here I am calling the prime function. I am passing this. Okay, so 13. So 13 also is a prime number. So it will be return me a true. So this condition becoming true and this condition also becoming true. Then only I need to check the third condition. If one condition becoming false, it will be give me false as my output. Okay, guys. Then the last one will be I need to take the last digit, means the reverse. Guys, how to find the reverse of a number? So here if I'm calling this function I can find, but that reverse number I need to call here means prime. So here I'm calling for prime, and how to give the reverse number? If I'm calling palindrome again, so if I'm calling palin and I will pass the number, so it will be returning here 31. So means my prime number will be getting checking from 31. So if this condition also becoming true, at that time we need to tell that this is a MRIP number. If this condition becoming false, we can tell not a MRIP number. Okay, guys. So now I am just try to run this one. So first we are going to check for 13. Then we are going to give some different user input. So guys, as of now, the Python will be an interpreted language. Means it will be taking executing line by line. So as of now, it's only taking the user input. After that, in the memory, it will be creating both the function, but still it will be not activating. Whenever I'm calling this one, then only it will activating, because here I'm one time call the function, again here I'm one time call the function, again here I'm calling one time function. Means how many time you can calling the function, that many time it will be give you the output. Now if I'm passing 13, so 13 is a MRIP number, so it will be give me the correct output. Then again I just want to check. So here if I'm checking 12, so 12 is not a MRIP because 12 is not a palindrome, also a prime. That's why it will be give me not a MRIP. Okay, so guys, I need to understand this concept because I think you are doubt on that. So here I need to explain this concept one more time. So guys, just see, here I am taking here only. So I take a new position. Guys, just see here why I'm trying to explain this one. Guys, as of now, if I'm taking, okay, come this place. As of now, if I'm here calling this function means palindrome 19. Okay, means here I'm passing palin number 13. So here it will be written 31. So 31 not equal to 13. So this condition give me true. Okay, guys, if here I am passing equal to, so it will be give me false. But I wanted true because in my AND condition, every time we need to check for whenever true, then only it will be give you the answer. After that, true. And guys, here just see prime 13. So 13 is a prime number. So here also it will be written the true because every time we are just returning the true value. So in this case, we are returning the opposite value, or we can say that reverse number. Okay, guys. Now, then the next one. And so here, guys, just see here there will be tricky. First, the parenthesis will getting activated. Means first the palindrome will be getting start executing. So here, prime of, so palindrome will be return the output as 31. Again only, then only prime function will be getting activated. So this prime will be return 31. Okay, so here it will be written true. Okay, so here we need to call true. Here we need to call for prime of 31. Okay, so this is the simply logic behind to check a number is every number or not. So guys, this question will ask in an interview. That's why I'm explaining in each and every iteration. Okay, guys. So the next question for this session is, now if I want to check a number is fascinating number or not. Okay. Now we are going to check that particular number is fascinating or not. Okay. So write a function. Everything we are going to start implementing using our function. So write a function to check number is, okay, number is fascinating or not. Okay, so how to check? First, I'll give you the clarification. What is fascinating number? So guys, if I'm taking a fascinating number, if I'm taking 192, okay, why I'm telling 192 is a fascinating number means that particular number, if I try to multiply with 1, 2, 3, okay, so if I'm taking 192, so if I'm trying to multiply with 1, it will give me 192. If I try to multiply with 2, it will give me, so 2, it will give me 384. Okay. Again, 192 multiply with 3, it will give me 576. Means every time if you are going to check for a fascinating number, you need to multiply with 1, 2, 3. After you are multiply with 1, 2, 3, now you are taking the all the output. Okay. 1, 9, 1, 3, 8, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now, you are going to check this one from 1 to 9. This number we are getting means after you are finding, we need to check this number will be consisting all this number or not, means 1 to 9. So guys, we are going to check now. So 1 also available. Okay, means this condition becoming true. Then 9 also will be there. Okay, then we have, so here 92. So guys, just a second. Okay, 192 guys, spelling mistake. Okay, then you see 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. Means from 1 to 9, if the number will be consisting that, then we can say that this is a fascinating number. So now we are going to implement the same logic. So every time we are taking the user input, so here I am taking this command. Okay, so can I just see? After that, I need to create a function. So here I'm passing fascinate. Okay. So here it will be taking a number and here it will be taking a sum equal to 0. Why I am taking this sum equal to 0? I'll tell. So guys, just see. Because after I am finding, I need to store somewhere because I need to run a loop from 1 to 9. That's why for the storing purpose, I need to use this answer equal to 0. Okay. So guys, here just see, after getting that, I need to take the answer. Okay. So here I need to take this sum also same. Okay. So here I am passing sum. If I'm not taking this answer also, it will be not getting any affected. Okay, we don't want. So here I'm passing sum. So here I need to add with my. So guys, just see, as of now, we are taking the user input as in my integer. But I need to add that particular thing because if I'm trying to add, guys, just see, if I'm trying to add 192 plus 384, so it will be give me a number, but I want that each and every number it will be formatted like this structure. So I need to add in a string. If I'm adding two strings, so it will be combined or concatenate. So here, that's why if I'm trying to sum that particular thing, so here every time I need to typecast. So here I'm taking norm into 1 plus again typecast string norm into 2, again typecast norm into 3. Can I just see, after I'm getting, if I'm not typecasting it to, it will be give me a result, but I don't want that result. I want each and every character. Okay, means 192, 384. Okay, now after that, I need to run a loop. Okay, for element in range, because I need to check for 1 to 9. So here I can pass 10, up to 9 I want. Then here I need to check if I'm getting 1, so I need to check for in sum. So here if I'm checking if the element will be in the form of our number, but this sum will be in the form of our string. So here also I need to one more time typecasting. So string of element, because whenever you are trying to compare both hand side, data type must be same. So here I'm passing string of element not in sum. Okay. Now, what is the logic behind this, guys? The first one not in sum, because in the sum, 1 is there. Okay. Means this condition becoming false, then only we can, if whenever this condition becoming false, then only we can say that this condition becoming false only. Okay. Inside this, we can return false. If the condition every time will be becoming true, means each and every element will be available. Okay, so I want to give you a more clarity. So as of now, I'm taking 1 not in, means I'll give a false condition, 1 not in 1 in this condition. So 1 not in 1, 1 is available, guys, right? So here it will be give me true. Okay, that's why here I will be passing the condition string or element not in sum. Okay. Then if the condition becoming false, at that time we can say that, and the each iteration also generating, at that time we can use that condition becoming true, means each and every item will be available. If one condition will be not available, means suppose if I'm taking this 6 will be not available, then in that case it will be becoming true. Okay, that's why here I'm giving not in. Okay, now I just want to outside the function, I need to check. So here I need to check print fascinating number. So here I need to call that. So here if fascinate, here I need to pass number, else here I'm pass not fascinate. Okay. Now if I'm trying to run in my dedicated terminal, it will be start implement the logic. So as of now, we are going to check for 192. Okay. So guys, every time you need to know the each and every iteration just like that. Okay. Why I am taking, because every time we need to multiply with 1, 2, 1, 3. That's why the same execution will be applied for different user input. So as of now, if I'm taking 192, so it will be give me fascinating number. If I'm taking a different user input, okay, so not fascinate number. Okay. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. Try and